Hi YouTube friends, this is Jenny with Planner Perfect, and today I'm going to reveal to you our March planning and journaling subscription box.
Just a small bump unborn. In 4 months you're brought to life. You might be left with my hair, but you have your mother's eyes. I'll hold your body in my hands, be as gentle as I can. But for now you're a scan of my unmade plans. A small
This is a totally different way of being able to reveal to you exactly what's in our box, but I thought, hey, this will be kind of fun to be able to just kind of casually show you all the fun little goodies you will get and receive in the Planner Perfect subscription planning and journaling subscription kit. So I'm going to go step by step and kind of show you what you will find in it. It is really, they're beautiful and inspiring, and I paint them according to usually the season or what just, what I might be inspired by, in hopes that it will inspire you to dream and to write a better story. So when you first open up the box, which I love, and it says write a better story right up here. What I love about it is just, it's so cute. It's our brand's colors. And when you open it up, you first get this card that it's here. And you then get cute washi. You get 2 different washies, and this has my artwork on them. So this was March's box, and it is a shamrock and a butterfly. So I hope you can see that. It's so cute and pretty and perfect for this season. Next are tip-ins, and I love the tip-ins. You get 2 of each. So what's in here is also in here. That way, I always found I loved having 2 of each when I'm planning, because I just have more than just one of the prints. I was always, wanting to make sure I had at least 2, because they are so cute. And what's great about having tip-ins is that you can use them as a way to, inspire yourself in them. This is March's, so here, this was also, you'll see soon, is on the cover of the book. This is just some more artwork. And you can tip these in your planners. And here's a March quote: "May your troubles be less and your blessings be more, and nothing but happiness come through your door." And then lemons. Very inspired by spring, I was. Hello, spring. And a Katie Daisy quote: "She smelled of sun and daisies with a hint of river water," and I used my artwork around it. Now these are so fabulous to tip in, and you can also use them to write on the back, which they're just plain really great paper, that cardstock thick paper that you can write on the back, anything that, an extra plan, an extra detail, something to remind yourself of. Or you can also use them as gifts and stick them on gifts as tags, I've done, or even put them on your mirror. Some of the quotes on here are really fabulous, and you can use them as affirmations as well and just brighten up your day. So however you use them, tip-ins are amazing little pieces of artwork that can really brighten up your planning and your life. Before I get to the books, I'm going to showcase the stickers. You do get 2 sets of stickers. This is one of the sheets for this March. This again has my artwork on it, and I think you definitely will love it. This is kind of definitely March and spring related, and same with this. So these stickers are just really fun for creating your pages and mapping out your life. It's just fun to be able to put stickers there. As you know, with stickers, it can really brighten up your pages. Be looking out for more stickers from Planner Perfect as well, as I will have some designed for calendars, the calendar, and more for everyday use as well. So be looking out for those. So that's really fun. So the first one is our journal, and the journal is the lemons. And what's really fun is that number one, and it flows around to the back. I loved this design. I created this because it's so springy. It's like fresh, clean, and we want to start that feeling right away. So I wanted lemons, and so I set out and painted them. The journaling aspect of it, there's so many ways you can use a journal, obviously. And also it's fun, if you want to, you can join me over on Project Me on Facebook as we are journaling together and using our journals together over there each month. So be sure to sign up with Project Me and request to join to be a part of that amazing community full of great women. So we have the lemons and then our monthly plan book. And there she is. She's our March planner, and she is so dang cute. Hello, March. Greets you as your dashboard, your calendar. This is where you are prompted to write out your goals. And after about 10 pages, because I want there to be ample room for goals, you're prompted here for your daily mapping. New ones each month. They are given to our subscribers first before they are given and put in our store. So you get first dibs on, you just get it first. The first look of the spring, the box of what's in the box before it's put in the store. And it's absolutely delightful to be able to open up a box full of planning supplies to plan out your life and write out a life that you love and to write a better story. Hey, thanks for joining me today. If you want more on how you can sign up for the planning subscription box with Planner Perfect, I'll leave you links below. If you're new to me and you want to know more about the Planner Perfect method and how you can begin to map out a life that you love through my method, which is proven to be able to help you achieve your success and achieve more than just your tasks at hand, I'll also link you to my crash course for my Planner Perfect method. Until next time, bye friends.